Hey guys, welcome back. In this episode, I'll be showing you how you can buy crypto on Bybit. So to buy crypto on Bybit, it's a very simple process. All you have to do is just make sure to watch this video till the end. And when you're logged into your Bybit account, that's going to take you to the home page, which is going to look something like this. Now, right on this page, you need to go ahead and tap on the three dot icon located in the top right hand side corner, and from here you need to go to buy crypto. So basically, when you're actually trading on Bybit or you're transferring money, withdrawing whatsoever, you have to make sure that your account is already verified. Unless and until if your account is not verified, you won't be able to proceed on further. Here you need to go and select the asset that you're actually buying. Next page, you need to go ahead and enter in the exact amount. After you've done that, you also need to enter in the amount that you're actually converting or the currency type and proceed on with the next step, that is tap on the continue button. Once you've done that, it's going to take you to the other interface where you have to link your bank account, since you have to pay for it as you're buying the cryptos. So then add the information or the payment source, all that, and enter in the confirm your purchase and all that, and you've successfully bought crypto on Bybit. So in this way you can buy crypto on Bybit. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.